Hey guys, today let's learn how to tag all of our friends on Facebook at once. So if you guys are wondering how to tag all of the friends that you have on your Facebook account all at once in just one single tag, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So if you want to go ahead and do this, basically what we need to do is to proceed with launching the Facebook application. Now this is only going to be available not on your public posts, but on posts on specific Facebook groups. And what this option is basically called the @everyone option. So I want you to go ahead and locate a specific group that you'd like to go ahead and tag all of your friends at once. So just go ahead and just search for a specific group that you'd go ahead and like to open. And then from here, what I want you to do is to actually just type in on the comment section the @everyone option. So once you tap on there will be an option for you to basically tag @everyone. And I want you to proceeding with entering the @everyone, so that once it is done, just tap on send, and that's going to allow you to tag all of your friends on that specific Facebook group. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.